Hey, welcome. Good to see you all here. In this video, we are going to discuss credit scores in some detail. So, demystifying credit scores, understanding factors that impact your credit rating. If you've ever applied for a loan, a credit card, or even rented an apartment, you've probably heard the term credit score. Your credit score is a numerical representation of your creditworthiness and plays a significant role in your financial life. But what factors impact your credit rating and how is it calculated? In this video, we'll break down the components of credit scores, demystifying calculation process, provide valuable tips to improve your credit rating. Here we go. So first thing to discuss is your payment history. Payment history is the most crucial factor impacting your credit score. Lenders want to know, have you consistently paid your bills? So pay your bills on time. Late or missed payments can significantly hurt your credit rating. To maintain a healthy credit score, always pay your bills on time, and if possible, pay more than the minimum amount. Very important. Next, we have credit utilization. Credit utilization refers to the percentage of available credit that you're using at any given time. A high credit utilization ratio may indicate that you're overextended and could struggle to repay your debts, as in you're using too much credit. To improve your credit score, aim to keep your credit score below 30%. So what is the length of your credit history? Not to be confused with your payment history. Here we're talking specifically about your length. So how much credit history do you have? And the longer the better, really. It is an essential factor that influences your credit rating. Lenders prefer borrowers with a longer, more established credit history, as it demonstrates financial stability. To enhance your credit history, avoid closing your oldest credit accounts, as doing so may shorten your credit history. Moving on. So let's quickly go over new credit inquiries. When you apply for a new credit, a hard inquiry is recorded on your credit report. That means that other financial institutions can see it. Multiple hard inquiries in a short period may lower your credit score, as it suggests that you may be taking on more debt than you can handle. To protect your credit rating, minimize new credit applications and only really apply when necessary. If you're going to check your credit score, make sure that this doesn't create a hard inquiry. Some quick tips to improve your credit rating. Monitor your credit report regularly, review your credit report for errors or fraudulent activity, dispute any inaccuracies to ensure your credit score accurately reflects your credit history. That keeps your credit score healthy. Set up payment reminders to ensure you don't miss any payments. Use calendars and reminders or automatic payments to ensure that you never miss a payment. Very important not to miss payments. Reduce your debt. Obviously, if you pay into your loans or you pay down high interest debt and avoid accumulating new debt to improve your credit utilization, overall credit score. Maintain good financial habits. Consistently pay your bills on time, keep credit utilization low, and avoid taking on unnecessary debt to maintain your healthy credit rating. So to conclude this video about credit scores, the understanding the factors that impact your credit score is crucial to maintain a strong credit rating and securing favorable loan terms in the future. By focusing on payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, types of credit, new credit inquiries, you can work towards improving your credit score and achieving your financial goals. Remember, responsible financial habits are the key to healthy credit rating and a long-term financial success. So wishing you all financial wellness and success today. We're over and out. Click the subscribe link and smash the like to keep in touch with us. See you all again soon.